What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. We're back at it with another video. Today's video is gonna be a little different. By the way, I'm gonna fix that check engine light either next week. You guys are not gonna see the check engine light anymore. One of my boys ended up getting a Miata 6-speed. I get some content with that. He said he's gonna let me drive the car, so we're gonna get some reviews real quick. Do me a huge favor and slap that subscribe button. It does help a lot. My guy told me to literally just wait for him here. He's about to pull up right in the front in about oh color on that thing is crazy. Look at that, guys. Miata looking better than my car, literally. Bro, got BBS's.
What?
It is crazy. What do you guys think? Oh, look at the seats, dude. This thing is crazy, bro. They were Carl's. What?
And it got a coochie warmer too.
You got a coochie warmer? He said you got a coochie warmer? Bro, this thing is nice. Bro, got the rainbow brakes on too. That's crazy, dude. The color on this is fucking trippy, dude.
It's weird because in like the garage it looks kind of burgundy, but then out here it looks like red, and then you go in the sun and that shit, it's like different colors.
Damn, bro, you would literally talk about this car a lot. Miata, bro. Look at the Miata. Damn. What year is it?
22.
It's 2022. Bro, what the heck? Look at the interior, dude. This shit's crazy.
Yeah, bro.
Jesus, bro. I'm fucking jealous. Look, the interior is fucking nice.
Yeah, bro. I'm gonna get a financial bag. Make sure it's good.
And then we got my shit all beat up, bro.
That looks nice too.
Nah, bro. Hop inside real quick, bro. Guys, look at this. The seats on this thing. That's crazy. Ugh. It's tiny though, low-key.
Bro, leave this shit pressed.
Sheesh, bro. Fancy with it. Bro, but the detail on this thing is crazy. Like the stitching.
Yeah, bro.
This shit right here.
And the fuel economy.
Man, these seats are low-key comfortable. Look at that, guys. Damn, bro, Brolin GTA. Dude, this shit's hard, bro. What the heck? On some Iron Man shit. That is crazy, guys. That thing is nice. I mean, my interior literally looks like every basic Mustang. Damn, bro, already in a GTA. Seeing that thing turn to a convertible, it's crazy. Yeah, bro, that shit's too funny, bro. Here, bro, you could drive my car, bro. How are you gonna get in, bro?
If it's a character.
What the fuck? Feel my clutch, bro.
That shit talks bag.
No shit is what?
It talks bag.
Why? What do you
I
mean?
don't know, it just feels like bouncy. Like, atrás keyless off. It is keyless.
Oh, just a little race car. Look at the size of my nut, bro.
Hey, you got no shifter alone, bro.
Damn, bro, what's this?
It's a shifter. You want to touch another?
Bro. Bro, what? I don't feel the clutch at all, though. I'm gonna stall this thing, bro.
You're not gonna stall it.
Yes, I am, bro.
You're not gonna stall it.
Damn, bro. These are the speakers, bro. You need to go deaf.
No, they're actually pretty quiet. They're like kind of like background.
We got some animal fries. This guy didn't get nothing, so it feels a little weird. Alright, guys, we're gonna leave the 5.0 here, and we're gonna get a ride along inside the Mazda. I'm I'm not gonna lie, the inside is pretty small, but it's so nice. Just so clean. Alright, man. Wait. You opening the door for me?
No, you're gonna drive.
No. First, just give me the ride along first. Cause I get nervous.
It wasn't me.
Guys, look, literally. Iron Man, literally. Oh my god, bro.
The seat up, I moved it up. I moved it a little bit quicker.
Oh my god, bro, this is so tiny in here.
That's what she said.
Alright, man. He stalls right away,
No,
man.
no.
Just sick. Oh, bro. No mamas, bro.
What, bro? I thought you said you weren't scared.
I'm scared for the people around, bro. Come on. Oh. Oh.
Ay. Ay, qué cosas de la vida. Miata problems, bro. Nobody fucking sees you.
God, bro. I'm already nervous. He's right behind us, bro.
I'm gonna fuck. I'll fuck him up right now. Motherfucker. How you got glasses but can't see, bro? He paying premium to see. I don't even know where to take you.
Just take me anywhere you want to take me, bro. Just don't take me right into a pool.
Mustang, bro.
The cup holder. Where's the other cup holder at?
They move. You can put that one there. And
They move?
they're interchangeable. Yeah, like you can put them here. So.
Oh shit. What does this do? Dude, that shit pop? Did that shit really pop? That's badass, bro.
Nobody ever believes that my Miata's cool, bro.
Low key, it's pretty quick, bro.
Yeah.
Like, it's not slow, bro.
Think so? Only thing I have to like really get like good at is just stops. Like, you know, like for that one, for example. I was about to put it to second. You see? I'm gonna be that guy at the fucking.
Bro. Chill out, bro. We get it, bro. It's diction. Bro, revving his car out of. Oh.
You don't want to teach me how to drive stick, so I'm gonna burn this clutch out so that way you learn.
Alright, guys, so he's letting me drive. I can't even fit. Look, I'm thick. Damn.
How do you feel about it?
It's like smooth.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude.
What's messed up to me is that you haven't put my hand on the thing. Cuts corners like. Oh, dude, how'd you do that? That's so freaking cool.
Do what?
Just that. That was fucking cool, man. I don't even think I deserve this car anymore, bro.
That's crazy, dude. This shit's fun, bro. Like, I could just imagine driving this shit.
That's badass, bro. You gotta teach me how to do that, bro.
Like, daily. You know what's crazy? In my last 3 videos, I'm pretty sure daily on Miata is like the most funnest shit ever. And like,
It really is.
yeah, bro.
Only thing that is scary is when people don't see you, bro.
People really don't see it.
I've already had some guy like run me off the road.
I'm not gonna lie, man. This thing is so much fun to drive. It was fun, and I just wanted to go fast. Like, I don't know why. I just want to go fast on this thing. But yeah, guys, a little cool video on the car. I feel like we're gonna do more videos with this car pretty soon. Nice car. What's the retail one of those?
Oh, wrong stick. Oh, wrong stick.
Basically it for the video. I know it's nothing crazy, but I wanted to show you guys his car. He said he's down to go to the canyons and get some content there, so this won't be the last time you see that car. He barely got it, so he's babying the car, and I completely understand. You know, if I had a new car, I wouldn't want to go crazy with it right away. Well, hope you guys enjoy. Do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. I'm trying my best to upload weekly, and majority of the time I'm gonna upload 2 videos a week. So do me that favor, hit that subscribe button. Till next time. What the